Hey guys, in today's tutorial I will be showing you how you can boost your post on Instagram. Boosting your post enables you for your post to reach more people and giving you more exposure. So guys, make sure to follow this video till the very end and follow our steps correctly so you can make sure that this method works for you too. So guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do is go to the App Store and download Instagram if you haven't already. After doing that, you want to enter the application and register or log in to your existing account. After doing that, as you can see, you will be greeted by this main Instagram page here. In the bottom right corner you will see your profile picture and you will want to click on that, entering your profile, being greeted by this page. Here you want to enter the post that you want to boost. If you don't have one, just go to your gallery and upload whatever post you want to boost, picture or video. After doing that, click on the post that you want to boost. As you can see here, there is a boost option. But beware guys, before doing this, you have to enable your account to be public and you have to turn it into a professional account. If you don't have a professional account, you want to do that by going to edit profile and scrolling down, and here there will be a third blue button that will be saying go create a professional page or create a business page, something like that. You want to click on that and just finish the steps. You will be over in 1 minute and then you can create your professional account, enabling you to boost your post. After doing that, you want to go back and open up the post that you want to boost and you will have this boost option. You want to click on the blue boost post option. This will give us a couple of options, such as what your goal is. Is it more profile visits, more website visits, something similar? Let's say we want more profile visits. You're going to click next. You're going to select your target audience, but you can select for Instagram to do this automatically. As you can see here, I will do this, but you don't have to do it. You can find you can set it manually, and here you will see how much this will cost you. You can see how much you can set, how many days you want it to go. You can set for it to go indefinitely without a day duration. You want to set what your budget is, how much you want to spend. As you can see, if I spend $1,000 daily, I will get over 1 million. It will reach over 1 million people per day. This is $7,000 over 7 days. So guys, make sure to spend your money wisely and only spend how much you can afford for you to boost your post. So guys, after doing that, you will just click next. You will connect your payment info and that will be that. Your post will be boosted and you will get a lot of your followers and likes. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for watching till the end and bye.